It has now been more than a year since the UK left the EU, and the premises under which EU companies trade with the UK fundamentally changed. The agreement that was concluded between the parties solved many trade barriers, such as tariffs and quotas on goods. But one issue that was outside the scope of the agreement, but is key to a well-functioning trade relationship in today's digital world, is moving personal data across borders. Almost all organizations that trade today need to move personal data to other countries. This could be a UK company that receives customer information from a Swedish company, such as a name or an address. So what is the problem now when the UK left the EU? Well, UK does not have to follow the EU data protection laws anymore, the GDPR. So this means that the European Commission need to assess whether the UK has the adequate safety level. The Commission did this and in June decided that at the moment the UK has the adequate safety level to protect personal data. But the problem is that this decision is only valid for 4 years and can be challenged and revoked by the European Court of Justice at any time. And without this decision, companies would need to assess the risk to the personal data they're transferring and put in place relevant safety mechanisms to protect the data. This is, of course, especially hard for smaller companies that do not always have the resources or expertise to do so. Finding a stable and not overly burdensome solution for transferring personal data across borders is therefore very important, especially for two interdependent markets as the UK and the EU, with a lot of smaller companies trading.